Keen here with the new mud flaps by BestEvMod for the Rivian R1T. Let's install these and see how they look. Now these come with detailed instructions and most of the tools and hardware that you're going to need to install these mud flaps in just a few minutes. We'll need a 10mm deep socket to install some of the bolts. These are going to use most of the OEM mounting locations either for the screws or the push pins. And there's also an optional self-tapping screw to hold them in even better. There's some 3M tape to secure the top corner, and there is the self-tapping screw. I didn't use it to install. Here's how they look in the highest suspension setting. And here's how they look in the lowest suspension setting. There's no danger of them rubbing. If you're going to do any off-roading, these are going to protect your side doors from rock chips and from getting mud on your fenders. They also look pretty sweet. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.